Facebook, YouTube, what's up guys? Today is July the 18th. Went out this morning, did a consultation for a wax removal on a brand new floor that went really well. So guys, I'm out here in the Decatur, Georgia area, not far from our office. Actually, Scobie and Kevin is out doing a humongous tile and grout cleaning and sealing job today, and I'm out here doing a screen and recoat. This is a young new home couple that actually found me on YouTube and came out here Saturday while I was in the area and did a consultation. And basically what we're going to be doing today, guys, is a screen and recoat, 963 square feet. Also 13 stairs. We're going to be doing the stairs as well. So show you guys what I'm going to be doing. Hold on one second, guys. I'll call him back. Okay. You can see some discoloration right here. We're going to do some color correction. So really the floors are not bad, but again, I got some discoloration right here. For a lot of people moving into homes, screen and recoating or just getting the wood floors done, period, is a great choice. You got the kitchen area. Now, I will say these floors are a little bit different from these floors. This is white oak, this is red oak. So this is probably the original floors right here, here, and then these floors are the same as the kitchen. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. right, guys, doing a little clean and tacking the floors. Screening came out really good on these floors. It's gonna look really, really good with some new finish. All right, guys, let me finish cleaning and tacking these floors. And got my poly already ready. And then I'm gonna clean and tack the stairs. I've already screened the stairs down. And then after I get the first coat on, eat some lunch, come back and show you the after results. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I just got the stairs recoated. I usually just go ahead and do the stairs first. So overall, floors look amazing. Even before the screen recoat, did a little color correction in certain areas. And now I'm about to get ready to get the first coat down. I'm gonna bump this air down a little bit. Don't want too much airflow. And I'll go ahead and get this first coat down. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, you gonna, yeah, thank you so much. Alrighty. All right, guys, I just got back and I just did the walkthrough with the missus of the house, and she said it looks so good. So she's gonna go change. She's gonna be leaving after I put while I'm putting the second coat down. Again, they're moving in, but this is the results from the first coat. They did go with the satin finish. All right. And all through here, floors came out so much better, guys, so much better. All right, the foyer, also the stairs, and then this area right here around that desk, that discoloration came out really good, and this room right here. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Tomorrow we got a wax removal / screen recoat. And another great day. So I think the guys are actually still out doing that tile and grout job that they have. It's like almost like 4,000 square feet. So I don't know if they're gonna get any video footage of it. All right, guys. Well, thanks again. I'm gonna go ahead and get prepped to put this second coat down. Thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next one.